Hi, welcome to my channel, Grit, Grind and Gratitude, where we talk to micro entrepreneurs about their journey of becoming a micro entrepreneur and walking that path. Grit, Grind and Gratitude shares stories of resilience, of purpose, and values led entrepreneurs who are shaping their futures boldly. Hi Vidisha, welcome to our channel, Grit, Grind and Gratitude. Somebody told me about the amazing work that you have done around collating a group of artists. Tell us something more, introduce yourself to the world. Go ahead.
Hi Dipanvita and all the listeners who are watching us. Actually, my name is Vidisha Pandey, as you addressed me. And I'm from Uttar Pradesh, India. And when I came here, I have been here since 10 years. And I have my journey actually regarding this Indian arts. So when I came here to Dubai, I realized that my kids has grown up. And right now, I had a lot of time on that time. So I thought, ki, chalo, let's start something. And I have started my art classes with some institute. Later on, I realized that yeah, art is okay. Art is very much okay. But I am looking for something different because in my class, there are 3 classes for the kids and for the adults. 2 classes was, like a normal classes like acrylic painting, oil painting, the normal steps art classes. But in one class, I used to make Indian arts. Like I taught them what is Madhubani art. I have started with Madhubani art because it is very well exposed, very well known art form. So people are aware about this Madhubani art. Even if if I'll ask to you also, okay, what do you know about Indian arts? So spontaneously, aap bologe, haan, that is Madhubani art because it comes from India. So Madhubani art and Varli art, these are very well-known art forms. So I have started with Madhubani painting. But after that, I realized it is not enough. And I have exhibited 2 or 3 exhibitions. I think one or 2 only exhibition. And I realized that is not enough and I have to do something more. Because I believe Indian art should be visible in Indian arts, along with different kind of Indian arts. It should not be visible with modern arts, with abstract arts or any other art forms. So after that, and fortunately, Modi ji has created one Azadi Ka Mahotsav in I think 2021 or 2022, and he has guided to every country कि he have कि उनको select करने. They had to select some artists from every country. And Indian Consulate here in Dubai, they have they have conducted this kind of event, and I was selected out of 9. The 9 artists were selected, and I was one of them. Many entries, came like 690. I think 690 or 695 entries came for this contest. When I selected, then I realized, oh, this is the way, because I was selected over there with my Indian arts. Like on that time, I have, display Madhubani painting, Kalamkari and Gond art. And these 3 art pieces I have selected. So I thought, yes, this is my way. Actually, this is my way and this is my, aim. So that just started because yeah, this is the journey to start hone ki, like Indian arts ka kaise start hua, from homemaker to for the artist, curator and founder. And now I'm the founder of Indian Folk Art Corridor, which is one and only art foundation of UAE, jahan pe hum log we teach, we exhibit and we conduct workshop, folk art, tribal art, traditional art forms and ancient art forms. So this is the small journey till now.
Very nice. Tell us how many artists are there. I know there are lots of artists with you on this journey that you collaborate with, that you bring them together, provide. So you started as an artist, discovered that there is a need for creation of a platform where all Indian artists who are practicing ancient Indian art forms are that kind of a platform is missing. So that's what prompted you to make Indian Folk Art Corridor?
Yeah, actually, initially it was Vidisha's Creations. Vidisha's Creations is still there. It is alive because this is my personal page. When I started, it was Vidisha's Creations, and very happy to tell you, we got Doordarshan coverage 4 times till now. So, Doordarshan person came and he has advised me ki just rebranding your name, because Vidisha's Creations, your name comes in the branding. सो आई थॉट कि हाँ अभी थोड़ा चेंज करना चाहिए, और इसकी रीब्रांडिंग हुई, एंड नाउ इट्स नेम इंडियन फोक आर्ट कॉरिडोर. और वी आर हियर टू मोर देन 250 आर्टिस्ट इन यूएई हु इज प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं डिफरेंट आर्ट फॉर्म्स. लाइक सम आर्टिस्ट इज डूइंग गोंड आर्ट, सम भिल आर्ट, सौरा आर्ट, वर्ली आर्ट, एंड वी आर हैविंग मोर देन 200 आर्ट फॉर्म्स विथ from different states. So yeah, this is you can say this is a legacy of Indian art forms or India, and we are holding this thing in UAE.
So tell us, what does Indian Folk Art Corridor do?
Okay, so very nice question. Actually, I wanted to tell you this thing also. Indian Folk Art Corridor, as it's known, Indian Folk Art Corridor. Indian means भारतीय, folk arts means folk arts, हमारी जो कलाएं हैं इंडियन आर्ट्स के बारे में हम जब बातें करते हैं. और कॉरिडोर का हिंदी मीनिंग होता है, कॉरिडोर मीन्स प्रांगण. इट्स इज वेरी टफ हिंदी, बट यू कैन से आंगन, लाइक ए कोर्ट यार्ड. Corridor means courtyard. When we are talking about Indian arts, so we have to take all the art forms together. So when we are working with Indian Folk Art Corridor, so we have to very much careful. We have to be careful कि अच्छा हम हर आर्ट के साथ we have to justice with every art form. And this is very fine line कि we are not promoting any artist. We are promoting art name with the states and particular name. Like if you are talking about Saura art, Saura art comes from Odisha. Odisha is the state and art name is a Saura, because we believe that when we are promoting Indian art and with the state, this art with the state, तो artist will promote automatically. Because जब हम Saura की बात कर रहे हैं and you are listening कि अच्छा Saura art, something is there, Saura art, what is Saura art? So you will do Google. And when you will do Google Saura art, you will get to know everything, each and every knowledge, each and every point of Saura art. तो artist तो आपको पता ही चल जाएगा. And यहाँ पे जैसे है जनरली है कि हमारे पास we don't have very much fund, because this is the foundation, but this is not an NGO, so we are not getting any kind of fund. So every time we collect the fund, like हम आपस में अपना एक collective fund, we prepare that collective fund and we promote Indian arts form. तो we don't have much budget कि हम नेटिव आर्टिस्ट को इंडिया से लेकर यहाँ पे आए. तो वी आर क्रेडिट, बिकॉज समटाइम्स आर्टिस्ट इज लर्निंग. जितने भी आर्टिस्ट हैं, दे आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम मास्टर आर्टिस्ट, तो दे कैन प्रमोट देयर आर्ट फॉर्म्स. सो बेसिक वर्क इज प्रमोटिंग, क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस एंड लोगों तक पहुंचाना. बिकॉज स्टिल नाउ वी हैव डन मेनी एग्जीबिशन along with Dubai, along with IIT Bombay, London High Commission, Nehru Center. So this is kind of work. It is working, I think so. And अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा जाना है, long way to go. तो let's see कि हम और अच्छा क्या कर सकते हैं.
So which year was Indian Folk Art Corridor started, and like were there other people with you in this journey, or was it like you solo handling the entire thing on your shoulders?
Yeah, it's been started I think before Corona, proper way, in a proper way. Initially तो I was working like as an art teacher, teaching and all that. But अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि Indian Folk Art Corridor का कब हुआ, तो I think before Corona 20, because we have done our first exhibition which was at Indian Consulate Auditorium and unveiled by that CG sir, Dr. Aman Puri was the Consulate General that time. तो that exhibition हम लोगों ने मास्क लगा के की हुई है. That was first exhibition. तो like कोरोना शायद शुरू हो रहा था कि वो जा रहा था, मुझे 2022, I think that was 2021 that exhibition. Sorry, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था?
So you, so did Indian Folk Art Corridor, is it you alone, or are there, who's holding things at the helm? Like at the top, who's holding it? Is it you alone? And you are the one who are inviting all these artists together to join the platform? Or is it somebody else also is there with you?
See, when I say this is a foundation, so I can say I'm the founder of Indian Folk Art Corridor. But here we are having team. 250 artists are there, and every time we are, working together. It's not one man army. It is just I'm just a founder. But आपको पता है अकेले हम काम नहीं कर सकते. तो we need always support from others. We need a team. तो जब हम exhibition, when we do any kind of exhibition or workshop, we always support, and we always support to each other, because every artist has potential and everyone needs a platform. So every time we are working together as a team.
Beautiful. So you're talking about collaboration, you're talking about leaning in on the strengths of each other.
Yeah.
And we all know that 2 plus 2 is not 4 but 5 actually. Yeah.
Exactly.
The sum of the parts is greater actually. Cool. Tell me, what have been your high points in this journey for the last, like, if I say 2021 was your first exhibition, even before you conceptualize the exhibition, from there till now, if you reflect back on your journey, what are your high points?
Actually, as an artist, everything is, very important for me. And I can say I'm still waiting for that high point. But yeah, that point I can say that is high point. Actually, that is a starting point when I was selected, for the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. That was the starting point. And again, I can say long way to go. तो अभी वो high point शायद आया नहीं है और आना भी नहीं चाहिए अभी. Otherwise, we will get satisfied कि चलो हो गया.
No, it's not. Sometimes we forget that there are small victories along the way. And it's a destination. It's not just the destination that matters. It's a journey, and along the journey, there would be moments that brought smiles to your face.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a good moment.
Yeah. Then I can share one moment. I think there was an organization and who has conducted one Guinness World Record, and I was presented as an Indian. India को मैंने represent किया. I think that was the highlighted point till now. Because Guinness Book record holder is matter, everyone. It matters a lot. I can say that point, and after that I can say when I have invited from IIT Mumbai, that was my actually that was achievement. When I got a call, because they have they were trying to call me, they were trying to connect me, but I was on that time आप busy होते हैं दूसरी चीजों में. That was the highlighted point कि every year I go to IIT Bombay, I conduct one workshop, and 3 years हो गए हैं जब हम जाके वहाँ पे करते हैं. Students IIT brains के साथ काम करना, I think that is a good thing.
Great. So when the first high point you talked about, the Guinness Book of World Records, what is it that you own or you hold the record in?
Basically that record was different maximum. I think that record was maximum nationalities in one's classroom. So there were 68 nations के लोग थे, and I was Indian. As an Indian, I have presented over there. So that record was very, it is very simple. कि we have to create one art lesson. We have to create a classroom where we are working on a same pitch, on a same category. We have created one, one bubble, something like that art piece. But as an Indian, it is very much proud of me कि एक as an Indian मैंने present किया. When he announced कि हाँ we have created that Guinness World Record, उसके पहले मैंने एक Guinness Record ही था शायद उसमें participate किया था. That was from South Indian community, flower carpet. That was in Festival City, but वो कुछ हुआ नहीं था और I was just a beginner. I was just fun way में चली गई. अच्छा करते हैं, अच्छा आप artist हो तो आ जाओ. That's the thing only. But this time when I hold that certificate, that was really, really, really proud moment of me. And IIT also, high commission, every point is very much important for me.
Okay, tell us about the struggles that you have had along the way. I'm sure there would be many struggles that you've
Yeah.
had to surmount, especially, reflect back to the days when you were a simple housewife. And from there, to think about this idea, to walk on that path. Today, when you look back, you must be really proud of how far you've come. So, but there would be challenges that you have
Definitely,
overcome.
definitely. Yeah. See, there were many challenges, but struggle is still going on. Every time we are facing different kind of a struggle. But in art field, because this is very creative, this is very innovative. So we cross every challenges very easily because we cannot fed up, we cannot, frustrated कि अच्छा अब ये नहीं हो सकता because I have three sisters and brothers. I was middle of them, and my papa used to say always, करत करत अभ्यास कर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एक दोहा होता है, जड़मत हो तो सुजान, कि आप अगर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो प्रॉब्लम्स कम्स, ऑलवेज प्रॉब्लम कम्स, लेकिन आप उससे ओवरकम करते हो. तो दैट इज माई मेन मोटो ऑफ लाइफ कि जस्ट आपको यू हैव टू डू कंटिन्यूसली. व्हेन यू डू कोई भी चीज अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, तो दैट विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली. और स्ट्रगल होता है, वट एवर इट इज इन आर्ट फील्ड, वट एवर इट इज इन साइंस फील्ड, एनी फील्ड, बिकॉज आई एम द आर्ट ग्रेजुएट. आई नो हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट थिंग बिकॉज हमेशा से मैंने आर्ट की है. तो स्ट्रगल.
Tell us one challenge that you faced. What was it? Delve a little deeper into that. Say, reflect back on any challenge which was like at that point of time, it was like, wow, how will I handle this? But you've overcome it. Take a
I
moment to
can,
think.
yeah. Actually, I'm very blessed कि I have very supportive family. So if I stuck somewhere, वो आ जाते हैं, चलो हो जाएगा. तो I don't think so कि ऐसे कहीं मैं stuck हो गई और touch wood, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ
COVID,
नहीं.
how was it to organize an exhibition during COVID?
During COVID, 1 to 1.5 hours, I think there was no exhibition. एक exhibition हमने की थी, that was conducted by इंडियन काउंसिल. तो मास्क पहन के हमने कर लिया था. आफ्टर कोविड, इंडियन फोक आर्ट कॉरिडोर्स फर्स्ट एग्जीबिशन वाज ऑन 22 जून 2022. आई थिंक कोविड थोड़ा थोड़ा जा रहा था. आई थिंक वी वर इन मास्क, but we conduct mostly online classes, online workshops, online courses, and बहुत जितनी मैंने classes I think COVID में online लिया है. I taught a lots of art form, केरला म्यूरल, तंजौर, मधुबनी पेंटिंग, वारली, बहुत सिखाई है उस टाइम मैंने. As a teacher, I was totally satisfied during COVID because when I was in right now I'm in curation field. एग्जीबिशन कंडक्ट हो रहा है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, तो कई बार आई रियली मिस माई आर्ट क्लासेस. और इतना बिजी होने के बावजूद आज भी मैं वीकली 2 क्लासेस लेती हूँ फॉर किड्स एंड एडल्ट बैच बिकॉज आई फील कि आई कैन कनेक्ट विद द आर्ट्स. अगर मैं क्लासेस नहीं लेती हूँ तो मेरा आर्ट मिसिंग होता है. तो आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग कोविड आई यूज्ड टू conduct many online classes, and that is very precious moment for me also because from everywhere, like not from India, US, Australia, Canada, Denmark, ऐसी जगहों से students ने सीखी है Indian arts. So that was good. In this way, that is good.
So how did you reach out? So I just want to take a moment to kind of cement the learning for our listeners. You talked about karat karat abhyas, means practice makes you perfect, and consistency is the highlight in that. I think
Yeah,
what you're trying to.
consistency is very much important.
Very important thing. Now tell us, I was going to ask you, how did people from Denmark, Canada, Australia, who are non-Indians, are they non-Indians?
They are Indian.
Okay,
Because
but
Indians
they,
are everywhere.
how
Indians are everywhere.
how did they get to know about you?
See, it is very interesting story. Before जब मैंने अपना फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट किया, बिफोर दैट आई यूज्ड टू डू मेनी लाइव सेशंस फ्रॉम फेसबुक पे. व्हेन यू गेट बैक ना, तो आप देखोगे बहुत सारे, देयर वर मेनी लाइव सेशंस एंड एवरी डे आई कंडक्ट वन लाइव सेशन. तो पीपल उनको पता लगने लगा था कि इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं, पॉपअप होते थे, फ्लैश होता था. इवन वंस आई वॉज डूइंग वन लाइव सेशन एंड माई आर्ट टीचर वॉज देयर इन एज एन ऑडियंस. And she said, "Hello, Vidisha." Then I thought, "Aye, that is my ma'am." So ऑनलाइन सेशन में दैट इज वेरी मच बेनिफिट कि जब आप ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेते हो तो पीपल कैन कनेक्टेड. Nowadays live session is not, not very popular, but that time that was very much popular, and I was very happy when I saw very known faces, unknown faces aake, "Hello ma'am, I just want to learn this thing, please ma'am just tell me difference between Gond and Madhubani." And one live session was difference between Madhubani and Gond art, and that was quite super hit session. Then I realized कि हाँ, that is working. Nowadays अभी भी मुझे टाइम मिलता है तो मैं लाइव करती हूँ, कोर्सेज कराती हूँ, अपने इवेंट्स की इंफॉर्मेशन देती हूँ. बट दैट टाइम वाज बहुत अच्छा टाइम था, और रियली आई एंजॉयड अ लॉट.
Cool. So you're talking about reaching through the social media and consistently doing something to create enough noise and presence in the social media, and then the right people will get attracted to you.
Yeah, definitely.
Good. Tell me, what will be your piece of advice for people who are sitting on the fence, housewives who are now empty nesters and thinking, what must I do with this suddenly an amazing vacuum that's been created in my life? What will be your tips or advice to those people?
Yeah, it's really nice question, because sometimes what happens, I'm telling you, when our kids has grown up, actually they go to for the college and all that. That is a normal procedure. Everyone has to go. But sometimes as a housewife, we have to face some kind of depression, and like we feel some kind, acha humne to bahut kuch, we have done many things for others, now I am completely alone, because husband cannot sit every time at home, he has to go to office. But on that time, I think we have to follow our passion. It's not about art, it's not about reading, it's not about cooking, but we have to follow our passion, and passion is only one. Always, actually I believe every woman is multitasking and all-rounder, and actually वो उसमें ही फंस जाती है, because she knows everything she can do, each and every work. That's why she stuck somewhere कि अच्छा मुझे खाना भी बनाना है, मुझे पेंटिंग भी करनी है, मुझे इन्फ्लुएंसर भी बनना है, but she has to decide for one thing only. और जनरली 90% लेडीज के साथ ये हो रहा है कि शी इज नॉट गेटिंग अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर देम, कि ये एक काम हमें करना है. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि इफ I am in art field, तो it is very important कि I will make a painting, I will make a create a craft. Instead of 2 रोटी जल जाएगी, it is okay, उससे कोई फर्क लाइफ में नहीं पड़ेगा. That time is over. जब हमें अपनी फैमिली को, बच्चों को ग्रोन अप करना था, that is over, completely over. 2 रोटी जल के भी हम तीसरी रोटी बना सकते हैं, कोई फर्क लाइफ में नहीं पड़ेगा. लेकिन जो हमारा पैशन है, जिसकी वजह से वी हैव टू मेक आर रिकॉग्निशन, अगर वो मिस होगा लाइफ में, एंड टाइम, मुझे लगता है जब बच्चे चले जाते हैं घर से, और जो हम एम्प्टी नेस्ट की बात करते हैं ना, जो हमारा नेस्ट, बच्चे इधर उधर, उसके बाद बिजी रहना इज द बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन. इफ यू आर फ्री, you will face many problems, because every time you cannot see the TV, you cannot watch the movies on Netflix and Amazon, you cannot talk from someone every time, you cannot do. तो you have to create something for ourselves, कि हमको अपने लिए कुछ क्रिएट करना है. we have to प्रिपरेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो I suggest कि जब हमारे बच्चे along 9 या 10th में पहुँचते हैं, तो we have to prepare our ground. क्योंकि ऑल ऑफ सडन जब बच्चे आफ्टर 12th के बाद जनरली बच्चे जाते हैं, एंड यू थिंक कि अच्छा उसके बाद यू कैन डू समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड ऑल दैट, यू कैन नॉट डू, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इन दैट मूड. वो डिप्रेशन का मूड, वो खाली हम रहते हैं. यू कैन नॉट थिंक एनीथिंग कि अच्छा अब हम ये कर लेंगे. तो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर ग्राउंड. थोड़ा पहले से कर लो आप लोग, और अगर पैशन है तो उस पैशन को आप ज़रूर आगे बढ़ाओ. एवरी टाइम आप ये मत करो कि आप ही घर देखोगे तो देखा जाएगा, या आपने ये काम नहीं किया तो नहीं होगा. डजेंट मैटर। आप एक व्हाइट बोर्ड लेकर उस पर डाल लो आई डोंट केयर और डजेंट मैटर लिख लो। एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू वॉच दैट लाइंस ना, तो यू कैन गेट मोटिवेशन कि अच्छा, जरूरी नहीं है कि हमने किया तो होगा। तो ये चीज जरूरी है हर लेडी को, हर विमेन को, इवन मैन को भी, जो हाउस बॉय होते हैं या जो भी होते हैं, हाउस हस्बैंड है या हाउस वाइफ हैं, जो भी हैं, हर किसी को अपना पैशन जरूर क्रिएट करना चाहिए और क्रिएट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि गॉड गिफ्टेड कुछ भी नहीं होता, हमको क्रिएट करना पड़ता है।
Wow, beautiful lessons, Vidisha. Very beautiful lesson. One, identify your passion. Number two, focus and create clarity around
And
what you want to
ignorance
dedicate.
is very important.
Yeah, and ignore, because we are as moms and as wives and as women who are homemakers, I can so associate with that feeling where we are used to seeing our house in a perfect order,
Exactly.
and suddenly and house chores, I always say to my children, it's like a Sisyphus task. Sisyphus, there is a Roman story of a man called Sisyphus, and he's pushing up a rock through the mountains, up the mountains. Every time he stops, the rock keeps slipping
Mountain
back.
drop down. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Yeah.
And that is like house chores. You do the utensils, in another 2 hours, there'll be more waiting for you.
Exactly.
But they can wait. But your life, your recognition, your passion, you owe it to yourself to do that.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Amazing lessons. Thank you so much, Vidisha. I think, Vidisha, you wanted to talk something about the calendar.
Yeah,
that you have
definitely. I would like to show also and tell something about calendar. Every year we design a calendar, New Year calendar with different folk arts. Till now we have showcased 36 art forms, and this year again 12 art forms are there in one calendar. That is Yug 2026, and there are 12 art forms, which name is Baga art from Madhya Pradesh, Ganjifa royal card, Subi card from Manipur, Matani Pachhedi and beadwork from Gujarat, Godna tattoo art, Sanchi Mata art from Uttar Pradesh, Kurumba art from Tamil Nadu, Pattachitra from Odisha, Dhokra art from India, and paper mache art from West Bengal and Alopana. There are 12 different art forms, and that is a Yug. You can see the Mahatma Gandhi on this cover page. That is made by our youngest artist of UAE.
Wow.
जी, तो ये कैलेंडर जो है, और हम चाहते हैं थ्रू दिस कैलेंडर एवरीवन विल गेट टू नो अबाउट मोर एंड मोर what is Indian art, what is the difference between folk art, tribal art, traditional art forms and ancient art forms. Every folk art is not a tribal art, and every tribal art is not a folk art. There is a fine difference. So people should know about this kind of art form. That's why we designed the calendar. With this calendar, artists get some exposure also. They feel so proud that they are doing something very good for our country. So that is the motto of this calendar कि हम लोग ये calendar करते हैं, और अभी इसका अनवील होने वाला है I think 3rd of January को. अभी अनवील भी नहीं हुआ और मैंने आपके पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू ये दिखाया है, लेकिन जब तक मेरे ख्याल से टेलीकास्ट होगा ये अनवील हो जाएगा. और इसको इस बार अनवील कर रहे हैं रीगल ग्रुप के चेयरपर्सन मिस्टर वासु श्रॉफ. तो हमारे लिए काफ़ी प्राउड मोमेंट है कि हम अपने कैलेंडर्स को थोड़ा सा अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दे पा रहे हैं. और एवरी ईयर ये कैलेंडर्स इंडियन काउंसिलेट में हम लोग देते हैं, और इस बार भी हमारी हार्ड कॉपी गई है. तो
So how can people buy? Are these for sale? People can buy them?
Yeah, definitely this is for sale. If you want to gift to someone this calendar, you can gift as a corporate gift. You can put it on table. You can put it on offices. So definitely you can contact us.
So how do people contact you? They go to the website of Indian Folk Art?
Yes. Okay. They go to the website, or they can connect through WhatsApp, through call, Insta, FB. There are many medium, because nowadays we are living in I think most क्या कह देंगे, कन्वीनियंट जोन. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे पास बहुत फैसिलिटीज़ देती हैं. तो तो यू कैन कनेक्ट, नंबर भी उस पे है, अदरवाइज मैं मेंशन भी कर सकती हूँ। अगर आप दुबई में, इफ़ यू आर लिविंग इन दुबई, अदरवाइज यू आर लिविंग अब्रॉड, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट +971 56 530 2635. This is my number. You can contact. Feel free to call me.
Sure. Thank you so much for your time today, Vidisha. Your journey shows how much grit, how much grind you've gone through, the conviction to stay on your path, and oodles of gratitude for what the universe has brought during the course of your journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dipanvita, for this opportunity, because this opportunity is very much important for Indian arts and artists. So thank you for everything.
If you like this interview, please don't forget to subscribe by pressing the bell icon and follow us on our social media handles as we talk to more and more micro entrepreneurs who are living their dreams boldly.